Welcome back to Brain Skill Channel, where we strive to provide valuable insights and support for those navigating the complexities of the human mind. In today's video, we embark on a profound journey to understand and address split personality disorder, also known as Dissociative Identity Disorder (DID). Split personality disorder is a deeply misunderstood condition that affects individuals in profound ways, fragmenting their identities and presenting unique challenges on their path to healing. But fear not, for today, we aim to shed light on this disorder and offer practical guidance on how to navigate its complexities. But before we dive in, it's crucial to emphasize that we are not medical professionals. We're here to offer information, insights, and support based on research and shared experiences. If you or someone you know is dealing with split personality disorder, we strongly encourage seeking professional help for an accurate diagnosis and personalized guidance. Now, let us embark on this enlightening journey together. We'll explore coping strategies, therapeutic approaches, and ways to foster resilience and self-care amidst the challenges posed by split personality disorder. Our aim is to provide a compassionate and understanding space where everyone can find solace, education, and hope. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Together, let us unravel the complexities of split personality disorder and discover strategies for healing and growth. So, without further ado, let us begin exploring how to deal with split personality disorder. How to deal with split personality disorder. Mental illness is not as visible as a physical one. This is one of the biggest obstacles in recognizing, dealing, and treating disorders connected with the mind. One such disorder is the split personality. Split personality disorder, also known as schizophrenia or dissociative identity disorder, is one of the major types of mental disorder that typically occurs during childhood. This mental disorder is actually characterized by the disintegration of thinking as well as responding in an emotional manner. Many scientists define split personality disorder as a severe mental illness. According to the recent statistical reports, a lot of people suffer from a split personality disorder. The main tools that are used for diagnosing the split personality disorder are one's behavior and experiences. There are many different factors that are responsible for the occurrence of split personality disorder, and they are the environment, social matters, genetics, neurobiology, psychology, prenatal, substance abuse, prescriptions, and recreational drugs. What is a split personality disorder? Split personality disorder (SPD) actually refers to the adaptive response of an individual towards a maladaptive environment. This kind of mental disorder also leads to the development of mental splitting and thus brings a drastic change in the behavior and experiences of an individual. People who suffer from such kind of mental disorders force themselves to handle such traumatic situations, and they also try to dissociate themselves from their occurrence on Earth. SPD also causes an individual to compartmentalize their behavior as well as experiences. If you are suffering from split mental disorder, then you will be forced to participate into several intolerable activities, but you will try to maintain a separate sense of yourself in mind that you are safely secluded away from danger. This kind of mental illness generally occurs during childhood, when small children are forced to severe and sadistic abusive activities. Symptoms of split personality disorder. There are certain symptoms of split personality disorder or dissociative identity disorder. Some of the major symptoms of this kind of mental illness include amnesia, distorted perception, and anxiety. Amnesia is one of the major symptoms of split personality disorder. It is a fact that multiple personalities cannot talk to each other. In the case of amnesia, an individual develops multiple personalities, and this leads to a drastic change in this behavior. If a person is suffering from schizophrenia, then one personality tries to go for sleep, whereas the other personality tries to cope up with stress and danger. This mental illness may also lead to instant memory loss. If any person complains about memory loss during high stress times. Anxiety is also a major symptom of a dissociative disorder. If an individual is suffering from such kind of mental illness, then he is likely to face situations like anxiety, depression, or detachment. He might also develop thinking that something is not functioning properly in his mind. They start feeling that they are having partial control over their actions. These types of feelings or senses can cause them to get detached from lives. Distorted perception is another important symptom of split personality disorder. A person who is suffering from the disorder may start to feel detached from life as well as surroundings. Such type of feelings can cause them to live in an imaginary world. Distorted perception can change the behavior as well as experiences of an individual. People with split personality disorder also start questioning themselves about what is real and what isn't. How to deal with SPD in the right manner. Dealing with a split personality disorder often proves out to be most difficult for most of the individuals. However, there are many effective ways by which you can easily deal with such kind of mental illness and treat it in the best possible manner. It may take a lot of years for any person to get rid of such kind of mental disorder. According to the psychotherapists and medical health care professionals, the overall treatment process of SPD is long and complex. Effective treatment options. Treatment of dissociative mental disorder is pretty difficult due to a number of reasons. Some of the major reasons include secrecy on the victim's part, difficulty in diagnosing the disorder, and making the victim reluctant to seek for help. People who suffer from split personality disorder actually become habitual of pain, crisis, and trauma. This extreme trauma can affect almost every aspect of their life. Getting rid of such mental disorders may take a lot of time because there is so much healing to do. Some of the major forms of treatment that can help you in curing your dissociative disorder are stated below. Psychotherapy is one of the primary treatments for people suffering from split personality disorder. This type of medical therapy is popular as talk therapy or psychological therapy. In this type of treatment, the sufferer can talk with a medical health care professional about his illness. The psychological therapist also helps the patient to remember and work through the mental trauma and depression. In some severe cases, the patient is allowed to go for proper mental counseling. It is a fact that the overall psychotherapy treatment might prove to be long and painful for most of the individuals who are suffering from mental illness. However, many reports have proved that psychotherapy is very much effective in treating people with a dissociative identity disorder. Creative art therapy. A possible effective treatment. Creative art therapy. Creative art therapy is also one of the most effective means of treating people with split personality disorder. This therapy actually uses creative ways to help people who face difficulty in expressing their thoughts and feelings. This form of treatment actually includes various creative activities such as art, drama, dance, poetry, and music. Creative art therapy can also help people in improving their creativity during the treatment. Apart from psychotherapy and creative art therapy, there are many other forms of treatment such as self-counseling, medications, and usage of alternative medicines. Right kind of medication practices can also help people in treating their dissociative disorders in a natural and active manner. If you are also suffering from SPD, then you can consider taking help of depressants or tranquilizers for treating your mental disorder.